I thought I had writer's block, but I was wrong. I already knew exactly what I wanted to say. 3 points, one simple update. But when I opened Notion, I couldn't even finish one sentence. 5 minutes later, I had one sentence, and I thought, maybe I just can't write today. But the problem wasn't motivation, it was something else entirely. So I ran a simple experiment. Same question, same time, same brain. 10 minutes typing, 10 minutes speaking. The typing version, 400 words. The voice version, over 1,200 words. At first, I thought voice was just faster. But that wasn't the real insight. The real difference is what disappears when you type. When you type, you are doing 2 jobs at once, generating ideas and editing them. And most ideas never survive that second layer. Typing doesn't just slow you down, it compresses your thinking. Then I tried something different. I stopped writing first, just spoke my thoughts out loud. And suddenly, my thoughts weren't blocked anymore. They were flowing. Now my workflow is simple. I don't start with typing anymore. I start by thinking out loud like I'm talking to someone. Then I take that raw thinking and refine it with the keyboard, clean it, shape it, make it readable. Maybe keyboards were never really designed for thinking in the first place. They were designed for editing, structuring, and polishing ideas that already exist. And in a world full of ideas, the real bottleneck might not be speed. It might be how we turn thoughts into something we can actually express. If you want to see my full workflow with Loqua and Notion, follow for part 2. And if you want to try Loqua yourself, comment Loqua and I'll send you 30 days of free access.